dinagdag na baski isang poste sa bahay ko.
First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos has been detained in Los Angeles in the U.S. The Presidential Communications Office said there is no truth.
Uy! Kasama ng aking mga slate ay mababaliktad po natin ang itsura ng Senado.
Wag na wag ninyong iboto kandidato ng gobyerno sa mga isyu ng Pangulo. Hindi sila kumikibo. Ang kakapal ng mukha.
Ito ko talaga masasabi na si Presidente Bongbong Marcos ay sobrang adik.
Yan. On action, ganun ka. Yan.
Huwag maglaro yung bibig mo, maano. Normal lang. Normal ka lang ngayon.
Hello, tao po. May tao ba dito? Sino pa daw papalitan ko?
Ha? Bong, ano ginagawa mo dito? Bakit andito ka at nakasuot ka ng orange na damit?
Papalitan daw kita kasi mag-sign off at uuwi ka na daw. Pambihira ng anak mong si Sarah, dinala ko dito.
Ha, pambihira talaga itong si Sarah. Sinabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka ikulong. So kung ganon, ililibot muna kita para ma-turn over ko lahat mga gagawin mo dito.
Nakakainis yung mga taong sanay na magsinungaling. Yung parang hindi pinagsisisihan yung mga ginawa nilang mali. Tandaan nyo, pag nakapanloko kayo ng isang tao, huwag nyo sana isipin na mahina ang ulo ng taong niloko nyo. Ang isipin nyo, kung gaano kalaki yung tiwalang ibinigay sa inyo ng taong yon, kaya siya pumayag na magpaloko sa iyo. Kung hindi ka apektado, malamang maubos na yung mga tao magtitiwala sa iyo. Pero pag yan ang isinapuso mo, malamang hindi ka naman loko sa buong buhay mo.
Laban mo! Laban natin lahat! Mabuhay ka, Tatay Digong!
Alright! Welcome back to my channel mga guys. Mabuhay kayong lahat dyan. And today, magbigay-bugay tayo dito sa mga OFW all over the world. Palakpakan sa inyong lahat dyan. Mabuhay kayo. Duterte tayo lahat mga guys. Ayan, isi-share po natin ngayon itong mga video clips po all over the world. Itong mga Pilipino, nakakataba po kayo ng puso talaga. Dahil nakikita po natin ang suporta all over the world. Grabe ang suporta talaga ni Tatay Digong. Mabuhay po kayo mga OFW. Hindi pa po ito tapos. Kaya magbigay-pugay tayo mga guys. Panoorin po natin ang mga OFW nating mga bayani. Diyan, shout out sa inyong lahat. Let's go! Yan, let's go.
Ang mga supporters ni VP Inday Sara Duterte at ni President Rodrigo Roa Duterte ay organic! Hindi magpanik dahil very good!
Days away from Rodrigo Duterte's birthday, I'm going to call it out right now to the ICC over in the Netherlands, over in Hague. Why have you not made the announcement yet of when you are going to release this man out of your custody? This is disgusting. 116 million people are screaming right now to free Rodrigo Duterte, the father of the country, the best president that we ever had. And I'm going to go as far as I'm going to go right to the Marcos administration that if you want any shot of continuing to be the president of the Philippines, you are going to have to come clean, take responsibility for your own shit, talk about the involvement that you did and that you signed up with the ICC to let them come into the country and take away their hero, their president, their friend, their loved one, the one that they call dad of the Philippines. I don't understand it. Why is he still in your custody? No due process, an illegal arrest. We're calling it a possibly allegedly kidnapping. You came in, weren't welcome, wasn't at all welcome into the Philippines. Nobody wanted you. Nobody invited you. Who let you in? Who gave you the key to the door of Rodrigo Duterte to come into the country of the Philippines and make that arrest? And then turn back around, go to a foreign nation, a foreign land, take him far away from the people that love him. And he's 8 days away from his birthday, And I know that you seriously do not think that people are going to sit quietly and celebrate this man's birthday on March 28th. If you've got him behind bars, behind prison, and you have no intentions of letting him go. We are protesting here in New York. If you don't hear me now, you will. We've got lined up protests. We are going to scream from the top of mountains. We are going to scream from the rallies. We're going to scream from the oceans. We are going to continue to talk about this until you guys get your shit together. Release this man that is only guilty of one thing, is that it is on the war of drugs. And even with that, gave the opportunity to everybody that was an addict. He opened up these facilities all around the country so they can go to rehab to become a better person. And of course, there's always going to be casualties of war, but he did it in the best interest of the mommies, the daddies, the loved ones, the children, the babies, the sick, the elderly, the tired, the vulnerable, to protect them from these atrocities that will continue to happen over the abuse of substances flowing into your country. Do the right thing. Listen to my videos. Listen to my voice. Before that man's birthday comes, I'm telling you one thing. We are demanding one thing, is to release that man, Rodrigo Duterte, so we can all celebrate together his 80th birthday.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa monumento ni Rizal dito sa Canada. Tama po, mayroon pong monumento ang ating pambansang bayani dito sa Canada. At nandito tayo ngayon para ipakita natin ang ating suporta para sa ating pambansang Pangulo ng ating Republika ng Pilipinas na walang iba kundi si Tatay Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Sila yung isang galing na isang bus sila. Grabe. Saan ba galing mga Pinoy ngayon?
May pera kami, hindi ka bayad. May pera kami, hindi kami bayad. May pera kami. Sa kagahi, sa
Maraming salamat mga kababayan. Iboto po natin.
Alright, shout out dyan sa lahat ng OFW. Mabuhay kayong lahat dyan. Ang totoo po yan, no? If he was a bad president, why would we fight for him, di ba? If he was a bad president. Totoo po yan. Common sense. Sana po talagang itong ICC, no? Gamitin naman nila kahit common sense. Kitang-kita po sa buong mundo ang suporta ng tao dito kay Duterte. Kung masamang tao pa ito, walang magsuportang ganito. Di ba? That is common sense. Sana maintindihan na po itong mga puti, no? Lahat ng mga international media ngayon nakatutok po. And I know na itong mga puti ay may pagdududa na rin talaga dyan sa politika sa Pilipinas. This is all politics. This is all politics. Wala pong talagang pinatay si Duterte. Meron bang isang news na nag-news na ayun, may binaril or pinatay si Duterte? Meron ba? Wala. Ayun nga mga guys, no? And coming up is birthday ni Tatay Digong, and let's all try to wear some green kasi green ang tema dyan sa birthday ni Tatay Digong this coming March 28. Yan, hopefully makapag-live tayo dyan, no? Sa birthday ni Tatay Digong, and as a birthday gift, ipakita po natin sa buong mundo kung gaano natin kamahal si Tatay Digong, mga guys, no? Let's wear green color. Yan po ang tema. Alright, hanggang dito lang po tayo mga guys. Maraming salamat din po sa mga bagong nag-subscribe dyan, and sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, subscribe kayo. Alright, try to make like in this video if you like this video, and like this video if you don't like this video. Wala kayong choice. Alright, God bless you all. Shout out mga OFW. Mabuhay kayong lahat.